Hey, I'm back. This is VK3 Reefing Things. I forgot to, I told you earlier that my video when I made my fall swing, that it was corrupted. So I am showing you the swing now, the finished product, and what I did to it as we go along. Okay, stay tuned. So, this is my fall swing. I put a bow on each end. You may have saw that part in the video, but in case you didn't, I made a bow for each end. Plaid and rust. I put my pumpkins on a string. I think you saw that part too, where I strung my pumpkins with wire. And these two I just added in. They're not connected to these. So I strung them in and attached them to the cedar base, the green cedar base that you can't hardly see, because it wasn't the idea of being seen, because cedar reminds me of Christmas. I just used that cedar base just to make it a little stronger. After that, I added in my leaves, sunflowers, and I got two different types of sunflowers on here. I got the orange, look like they made from burlap, and the yellow. Miscellaneous flowers, berries. So I added all that in and connected them. Some of them I twisted around, the ones that had thin stems, and some I made a help give it a little extra security with some zip ties. So this is my swing. It's about 46 inches long. So this is it. I promised you that I was gonna come and show you since that video was corrupted. I tried everything. I even called my website host and they couldn't even get it. So this is it. And I just added my base inside of the swing. And I got to make sure it's laying flat too, because this vase is very easy to break. I broke one before last year. So that's why I know it's easy to break. So I just wanted to show you this, and I will have the instructions on how I made this in the description box, because they don't have the video of me actually making it because it was corrupt. All right, that's all I wanted to come and let you guys know. And you guys have a good night, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night.